of Honor 50, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, and in just normal photo mode just hold down shutter button, and after that it will take burst shot. And here you can view these shots that you just took, just like this. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.